Sugar and permanent tooth decay. In our last YouTube video, we looked at sugar, tooth decay, and natural repair. There are three phases. Phase 1 is when a person has a sugar intake and bacteria changes sugar into acid and attacks the tooth. So acid holes form on the tooth. Phase 2, the person has stopped eating sugar and saliva tries to remove this acid. And only after 40 minutes of saliva action is all the acid removed. Phase 3, only after the acid is removed by the saliva, only now can saliva repair these acid holes. But this takes many hours. So finally saliva has repaired the acid holes, so the tooth is healthy again. So every time you have sugar, you get a temporary tooth decay. And saliva repairs this temporary tooth decay back to health. What makes tooth decay permanent? We have a tooth, and the inside of the tooth has an enamel outer shell, a dentine inner hard layer, and a pulp soft center. Bacteria live on the outside of the tooth, but bacteria want to get inside our tooth and into the pulp, which is full of food. If we look at the enamel, the outer enamel layer of the tooth consists of calcium and phosphate wall. In the mouth, after a person has eaten sugar, bacteria changes sugar into acid and attacks the tooth. Acid causes calcium and phosphate to leave the outer enamel wall, leaving acid holes. The more time that acid remains on the tooth, then more calcium phosphate leaves the enamel to get deeper acid holes, meaning deeper tooth decay. So more time that acid remains on the tooth, meaning more time consuming sugar to make acid, can lead to permanent tooth decay. Also, after eating sugar, which makes acid, saliva neutralizes and removes this acid after eating sugar. So the acid damage stops. And what's important is only after the acid is removed, only now can saliva repair these acid holes, and it takes hours. But if you eat sugar again to make acid by the bacteria, before saliva has had time to repair these acid holes, then you get more acid attacks instead of saliva repair. And on the inside of the tooth, you find these acid holes get larger. So saliva not given time to repair these acid holes, meaning eating sugar soon again after a previous sugar intake, is another reason for permanent tooth decay. Why is this important? Bacteria, because of sugar, want to eat through the enamel, into the dentine, and finally into the pulp, which is full of food. Tooth decay into enamel is reversible and can be repaired completely by saliva and good prevention. But tooth decay into dentine is irreversible because saliva cannot repair dentine, so you need dentist treatment. And also tooth decay into pulp is irreversible because saliva cannot repair pulp and dentine, so this needs dentist treatment too. Here is a summary, and thank you for watching.